Caillou comforts me and Arin during a thunderstorm.
Arianna, I'm bored. What do you think we should do?
I don't know. Arin, I'll be right back. My phone is ringing.
Okay.
Gorbet residence, Arianna speaking.
Hey Arianna.
Hello Caillou, do you need anything?
I'm having a sleepover at my house and you and Arin are invited. Yes.
Okay, we'll be there in a minute. Goodbye Caillou.
See you later.
I gotta tell Arin about this.
So, how was the phone call?
Arin, Caillou invited us to his house for a sleepover.
What? Really?
You're just as surprised as me.
Then we should get going.
Yeah, we should.
Oh hi guys, I'm glad that you two made it.
We wouldn't miss a friend's sleepover for the world. Especially yours Caillou.
Aw shucks.
Caillou.
Come in quick.
Arianna and Arin, what's the matter? You two are scared of thunder, huh?
Yes Caillou, we are.
You know, thunder is just sound and can't hurt you.
We know that Caillou, but it makes us jump every single time.
You know what guys, I wish that I can push the storm away so you two won't be scared anymore.
We wish that we can do it too.
But there's one thing that I can do that'll make you guys smile.
And what is it Caillou?
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm Caillou. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm Caillou. My world is turning. Changing each day. With mommy and daddy. I'm finding my way. Growing up is not so tough. Except when I've had enough. But there's lots of fun stuff. I'm Caillou. 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 I'm Caillou. That's me.
Caillou, that was amazing.
Thanks for cheering us up.
You're very welcome guys.